Many of us have the belief that there is someone out there who was created to be our other half, our soulmate, or the ideal contrast to who we are. In other words, that someone out there is the one for us. 1. You don't think changing each other is necessary. Even at your worst moments, your partner still loves you. Although there may be a few tiny habits and oddities that you don't find particularly endearing, you are pleased with each other and wouldn't change a thing about each other. You also couldn't fathom being attracted to anyone else. The act of being together is happiness. Whatever you do, as long as you're together, the ordinary becomes spectacular. 2. Being with someone inspires you to be the best version of yourself. Both of you are conscious of your imperfections and open to learning how to become better versions of themselves. In this instance, both partners in the relationship are devoted to improving themselves for the other. The foundation you need to help you grow together peacefully is this dedication to the relationship and to each other. It is crucial because it lessens the possibility that your interests, values, and attitudes will diverge as you grow older. 3. You're willing to disclose everything. We have all heard the adage, sharing is caring, but that doesn't make it any less true. You might feel in your heart that you have welcomed each other without limitations if you are willing to share. You are not prepared to be one together if neither of you has fully given your lives and your emotions to one another and there are still some boundaries in your relationship. 4. You're not pursuing the potential of your relationship. You know, everything would work out if we had better employment, didn't live in this city, lived in a house instead of an apartment, had a dog, weren't so dependent on work, had the same hobbies. This happens when you're in one of those relationships. This kind of connection is characterized by being very close to the fairy tale you want it to be, but not quite. 5. Your family and friends are pleased for you. Your partner is nice and considerate toward your friends and family and has made an effort to get to know them. In the ideal situation, your friends and family agree with you that your spouse has strengths and excellent attributes, and they are pleased for you. While it is sometimes true that your family may want you to marry a particular type or profile, if they are able to see your partner's positive qualities, you can be sure that your perspective of your relationship is not skewed and that the person you believe to be your soulmate is the same person your friends and family see. 6. You have mutual respect and understanding. You have complete faith in your relationship and are never concerned that they will do something to cause you harm. You two are so in sync with one another that you never struggle to communicate your emotions. Even when you don't express it, you know that your partner understands you. 7. You handle conflict well. Conflicts arise in every relationship, and every couple quarrels. When we try to fit ourselves together as individuals, it is a normal adjustment process that takes place. The key thing is not the actual fighting, but rather how you and your partner handle disagreements. 8. You could not be happier about the life plans you have made together. You've talked about where and how you want to live, your financial goals, the number of kids you want, how you'll take care of your parents as they age, what religion you want to practice, and what your priorities in life are. You two are still together, and you're still happy about it, despite all of these debates. Marriages that are successful and happy are based on the foundation of sharing the same values and priorities. You will continue moving in the same path despite all the obstacles that life will unavoidably throw your way if you maintain the same vision and purpose for your life. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.